Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most common SQL Server interview questions, subquery versus join. Which one is faster and why? Let's create a simple example, run both queries, and compare their actual execution times. First, let's create two tables, one for departments and one for employees, and insert some sample data. This will help us test both subquery and join performance on the same dataset. Next, I'll turn on SQL Server statistics so we can measure the execution time in milliseconds. This will display the CPU time and elapsed time in the Messages tab after each query runs. Now, let's start with the subquery. Here, SQL Server first executes the inner query to get all department IDs from New York, then runs the outer query to find employees working in those departments. Subqueries are easy to read, but when the dataset is large, they can be slower because they may execute the inner query multiple times. Now, let's run the same logic using a join. In this query, both tables are joined together on department ID, and the filter is applied directly on the location column. SQL Server can optimize this into a single execution plan, usually faster than running separate subqueries. As you can see, the join query executed much faster because SQL Server handled it as one optimized plan, whereas the subquery required more processing. This is one of the most frequently asked SQL Server interview questions, and the key takeaway is, joins are generally faster than subqueries, especially on large data sets, because the optimizer can create a more efficient execution plan. I hope this explanation helped you understand the difference between subquery and join in SQL Server, not just syntactically, but also in terms of performance. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more SQL and database tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.